Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I'm guest designing for Love from Lizi using her beautiful March 2024 card kit called Bugs and Kisses. This is a really fun card kit and I think it'll be very popular. If you are interested in purchasing the kit or subscribing, I do have links in the description box below. So let me show you everything that's included in the kit. There are 5 sheets of 8.5 by 11 inch cardstock. We have royal purple, sky blue, emerald green, alcohol marker white, and a gorgeous fuchsia pink. Love from Lizi always includes some unique items in the kit. There are 2 6 by 6 sheets. One is a sheet of mesh tulle. The other is a sheet of iridescent film. I'll lay it on some white cardstock so you can see the color. It's so shiny. I think this will be really fun to use on a card or project. The kit also includes 2 A5 sheets of specialty. One is a sheet of acetate and the other is gunmetal mirror cardstock. Super shiny. I'll tuck this under some of the other cardstock so my overhead lights don't blind you. There are 2 card bases with coordinating envelopes. The card bases are 5 by 7 inches and each of them have a circle window cut out. These are really fun for creating peekaboo cards. You can put your image or sentiment on the inside and then decorate the outside panel. Next up is the pattern paper. It's 6 by 6 inches in size, single-sided. You'll receive 12 sheets. It's called Bugs and Kisses. The designs are so fun, perfect with spring right around the corner. The colors are so pretty, mix of blues, greens, and purples. And I think the designs are perfect for masculine or feminine cards. It features lots of butterflies and dragonflies. There are 2 sheets of cut-aparts. You could add a sentiment or image on that inside window. Even with just 12 sheets of pattern paper, you'll easily be able to make more than 12 cards. I love the uniqueness of this kit. I think a bug theme is usually very popular. To go along with the pattern paper, there is a pack of coordinating ephemera. And I'll lay out all of the pieces after the unboxing so you can see everything that's included. Next up is the stamp set called Bugs and Kisses. And this is so fun because there is a coordinating stencil set. If you're like me and you don't color, there are some openings on the stencil to fill in the designs on the stamp set. Plus, the stamp set includes 5 sentiments, sending bugs and kisses, to my love bug, birthday wishes, flying by to say hi, and my favorite, a happy hello. The peel-offs this month are a brand new color. It's the pinstripe style, and the color is apple green with silver finish. So it has that little bit of silver foiling along the edge. Now moving on to the embellishment bag. There are 3 pieces of iridescent ribbon. These are about 20 centimeters long. It includes lilac, emerald, and white, and they are so shiny. Look at that gorgeous color when the light hits them. If you like making shaker cards, the kit does include the sheet of acetate that I showed earlier, and there's also a bag of iridescent confetti. And the confetti pieces are in the shape of mini butterflies. Goes perfectly with the rest of the card theme. There are 3 sentiment topper pieces with love, and it has gorgeous silver foil with the outline and also the sentiment. There's also a piece of foam dimension on the back so you can pop them up. The kit includes 2 sentiment dies, Sweet Friend and also Hello. For embellishments, there are 2 strips of silver gems. One set is 3mm and the other is 6mm in size. This month, the card kit also includes a wax stamper and a wax candle. I think this is the first time Lizi's included them. The wax color is emerald green and the wax stamper is called Wild Sky. So that's everything that's included in the March 2025 kit. I did receive a few add-ons. I have both of the peel-off bundles. The set on the left is the pinstripe bundle. It includes blue mirror, silver mirror, fuchsia mirror, and purple mirror. The set on the right is the variety bundle, and it includes matte silver in sway, butterfly border mauve moondust, mini circles in silver holographic, and straight in the mint moondust color. The final add-on bundle I received is the Bugs and Kisses mirror bundle. These are 8.5 by 5.5 inches, 6 sheets, purple, blue, gold, pink, silver, and grass mirror. And they're all super shiny. Here's a look at all of the ephemera. I laid it out so you can see the beautiful pieces included. Now here's another look at Love from Lizi's March 2025 card kit called Bugs and Kisses. This kit looks so fun. I can't wait to get started. If you are interested in purchasing the kit or subscribing, I do have links in the description box below. This is a monthly kit, so quantities are always limited. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up and subscribe. Coming soon, I will be sharing a card video featuring this beautiful kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.